Y'all, this is your boy Little B back again with another one. If you haven't already, make sure y'all go like my other videos and watch those as well if you haven't already, because those videos are bangers. But this video is gonna be a banger as well, so make sure y'all like and subscribe. But today I seen fried Oreos on TikTok and they look pretty good, so I wanted to make them for myself. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Let's go. Alright guys, before we get into this, you see those 3 videos? Start off with watching this one. You'll see why, because all of these videos connect. Watch that video first if you're gonna watch the videos. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, sorry about the background noise, but before you cook, you always want to wash your hands with warm water. Alright, let's do this. Now that my hands are washed, this is what you're gonna need for fried Oreos. You're gonna need some Oreos and you're gonna need some pancake mix. Well, that's at least what I've seen people make theirs with. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use. Hopefully I do not fail, because I'm trying to accomplish this, because fried Oreos sound good and they look very good. So yeah, let's get this done. Let me get the pan out. I forgot which one was the pans. Let me find one. Alright guys, I got every single thing I need. I put the oil in the pan and I'm finna turn it on. I think it's this one. Yep, it's that one. Sorry about that guys, my other camera died, so I had to switch to this garbage camera. But it'll work.
Let's get this into it.
I'm done mixing it up. So guess what we're gonna do? We gonna give one of these Oreos. Whoop. Like that. We gonna do that. You know what I mean? We gonna flip it around one more time. And then we gonna grab it. First time doing fried Oreos. Hopefully this works, guys. They say you're supposed to leave it for like a minute or less.
You need the thingy, the fryer thingy.
I kinda already filled already. I done dropped it down there. I mean, but it looks nice on one side, but the other side looks so not good. Not good at all. Not good at all. Alright, let's throw a couple more in there, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when they're done. Alright, third one's in, guys. Well, yeah. Look at it. It look good, don't it? Is that the fail? Hold on. Don't put the fail back into my bundle. Who did that? There.
Here, look.
Fried Oreos, y'all. I'm gonna be making about 5. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot because not a lot of people are gonna eat them. But yeah, we're gonna have people test these and tell me how I did. They are finished, guys. Look at them. This one is very burnt. I'm gonna try this one for myself. I'm not gonna do anyone bad by letting them try this one, because yeah. But that's how they looking. They may look gross, but wait until I bite into it. Alright. I'm just gonna let them cool down, guys, and then that's when we're gonna do the taste test when they're done cooling down. Let's go. What are you doing? Alright, guys. I'm finna taste test it. Let's do it. Ooh, let's get this burnt one right here. Ew.
Amazing!
Want to hold them while you take them into them?
That's good.
Get a review.
Can you try one? The fried Oreos. They're good. Trust me. I ate a burnt one. And it was super good. They're good, huh? Yes. Really good.
Bye, have a great time.